quest. Let's see what's in store for us. Let's talk to her.
Alright, with these additional power cells, I should be able to supply the heat shield with enough power to stand up to this lava. But the shield still has a limit. It will now withstand temperatures up to 800 degrees, but no more. So keep an eye on your gauge. I don't want to think about what those temperatures would do to your zoomer if the shield gives out.
Yeah, the heat.
What? The Zoomer? Hey, what about us? Don't you think we could look for a safer route to Carl Citadel?
Look, I've released more cooling balloons into the tube, so you can use them to keep the temperature down. And don't forget to activate the teleport gate in the Yellow Sage's lab. We're counting on you.
Alright, y'all got that? You know how this goes. I like to kill myself a billion times because we collect and then we race. So let's collect. Slowly, slowly, slowly but surely. We're looking for precursor eggs or orbs. Let me know where they're at. They like to be hidden here. Also, every time I blow up, give me fire emojis in the chat for every time we blow up. Alright, we're going to do slowly but surely. Was there anything over here? No? Okay. Slowly. Slowly. We got this. Oh. Alright. I don't care if we blow up. I don't care. Woo. Okay. Okay. Whew. Alright, fire emojis in the chat. Let's go. Every time I blow up. If I don't see a fire emoji for every time I blow up, I am going to be very disappointed. And I'll judge you. Do you want me to judge you? I might even be mad. Do I have to go this way at all? No, I'll just do it for you. Dead. Alright. Oh no! Damn it, chat. I was looking at chat to see if y'all put the fire emojis, and then I kill myself. Oh god. Yeah, thank you. If you guys want to get creative in the chat and say like kaboom or something, you know, or put a GIF or something, you know, get funky with it if you all want to. I'm gonna go inside this little secret here. Oh, I died. Alright, again. Let's stay in the path, because that shortcut doesn't seem like a shortcut, really. It seems like a, hey, fuck you for falling for this. Alright, keep your eyes peeled, chat. Just in case I miss anything. Oh no! Get the scout! Fly! Get it! Oh my god, I would've shit my pants if I didn't get that. Okay, next. Y'all know how this goes. We focus on the collecting first. Every time. and then we race. That's the annoying part about collecting games. Chat, you're distracting me! A actual bomb now. Thanks. I saw the new emoji and I got caught off guard. I'm like, what is that? Kaboom. Dead. Don't, no, wait, a new emoji. Almost died again. No! What's my chat doing right now? Okay, you're getting creative. I told y'all to do this. Why, thank you. Thank you for doing this. If you want to interact with me live, join me on Twitch. Twitch.tv/bug.me.with.a.caterpie. If you're watching this on YouTube, I feel sorry for you. Chat, tell them why I feel sorry for them. Why should they be here live? Again! Seriously, chat, what is the benefit of being here live over watching it on YouTube? Or vice versa, if you feel some type of way. This corner is... Ugh. Because the stream is fire. Literally. Alright. 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 Ooh. Alright, if I fall silent for a second, that's because I'm trying to concentrate. Why every time now I die in this corner? I'm not even trying. Maybe I should try. That's the problem here. There we go. If I'm having trouble here, imagine how the rest of this will go down the line. Give me a hooray for making the corner right there. Yippee-ki-yay. No! I got excited. Alright. Silent time. This is me getting real. I'm locking in. Make your own funny comments for the moment. I have to concentrate to win. Concentrate to win. Did I miss anything? Besides the balloon? Hold on. Why do I have yellow eco though? Hey, we got all the things. Don't have to care for them no more. Oh no! A halfway point. Oh, thank you.
The door is open. Let's get going.
You're... a scout fly! Oh, no! Alright, there's the door. I need to get to the middle. What the hell is going on? This is like the world's worst roller coaster? Whoa, I thought that was death! I for sure thought that was death. If I miss any scout flies, I'm sorry. Don't tell me I have to repeat that. Another halfway point. Fudge. Give me that. Oh, I got it. I got it. Where am I going? Whoa! Alright, chat, if I'm doing too much screaming, let me know. Because I'm shitting my pants doing this. Why did I jump? Why did I jump? Okay. Concentrate. Stay straight! Stay straight! Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! There's one more fly somewhere. Yes! We're done collecting! Now let's win! Woo! Hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh! Hoo, hoo. Oh! Take that! Woo-hoo. And that's warranted a good night's rest. Bye!